Hello! In this video, you'll see how to create a new document in Adobe InDesign in 3 ways. The obvious one, the classic one, and the fastest one using hotkeys. Choose the way that works best for you. Let's go! Method 1. With the button New File when you start. When you launch the program, double-click. Just wait a little. You land on the home page. The first way to create a new file is the most obvious one. In the top left corner, find the blue New File button. Click on it. A window with file settings appears. Don't be intimidated by the number of input fields. Since we are creating a practice file, we don't analyze them right now. There will be a separate video on the channel about file settings. Now, in the top menu, select the third item, Print. The letter template is selected by default. We will create a file using this template. Go down to the bottom right corner and press Create button. The document is created, and now you can work and practice in it. Method 2. From the main menu, the classic way. The second way is useful if you are already inside the program and want to create another file. Look up at the very top, at the main menu. In the top left corner, find the File tab, click on it. In the drop-down list, select the first line, New. A small additional menu will appear, select Document in it. And our familiar settings window appears again. Everything is the same here. Select Print. Check the template letter. And here is a pro tip. You don't have to move your mouse to the bottom right corner to click Create. You can simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. Using keys is always faster than looking for buttons in the interface. Press Enter. The second document is ready. Now we have 2 documents and we can switch between them. Method 3. With hotkeys, the fastest. And the third way is my favorite. Just press Ctrl+N. The settings window appears instantly. But let's not create a third file. Let's say you opened the window by mistake or changed your mind. To cancel, find the Close button in the bottom right corner, near the Create button, and click it. The window disappears and we are back to work. Now you know 3 ways to create a new document in Adobe InDesign, with the button New File, from the main menu, and by hotkeys Ctrl+N. My name is Vera Petrova. I am the author of this channel and the workbook How to Work in Adobe InDesign in Pictures. Here is how it looks. You just open the page and immediately see what to do. It's a professional tool that saves your time. You don't have to search for the video and rewind it to the right moment every time. If you want to have a complete, structured guide at hand, you can buy my workbook. The link is in the description. If this lesson was useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. More clear tutorials are coming soon. See you in the next video. Bye!